Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you install free apps in your iPhone without any payment method. So guys, if you don't have any payment method and you want to install apps in your iPhone or iPad, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings in your device and tap on your profile and scroll it below, and from here tap on media and purchases, tap on view account from here and wait here for some seconds. So guys, from here tap on country or region from here, and wait again for some seconds here, and from here tap on change country or region, select your country. You can select anyone from here, and I am selecting my country as United States, and from here tap on agree, and from here you can see three options are there. So guys, first option is that you can add your debit or credit card, and you can also add your PayPal account, and you can also tap on none button from here to add no payment method in your device. So guys, simply select the none button, and after this scroll it below and give here your billing name and then billing address, and from here you have to simply scroll it below and give here all the details that are given for billing address here, and after this you have to simply tap on next button from here. So guys, do this and save this information in your device, and after this you will be able to install apps in your iPhone without payment method. So guys, in this way you can also install any app in your iPhone without the payment method in your device. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.